Hi, this video is to quickly give you an overview of my blog and just to show you how to subscribe if you want to have it sent to your email. As you'll see, go to mryoungsclassroom.blogspot.com. I will be posting on Mondays and Fridays, as I said. During the spring, I was trying to post every day, but the feedback was that wasn't needed and that 2 days a week was really what parents were hoping for, so that's what I will go with now. So each day it'll have some information about the week, things we've done, things coming up, heads up, things like that. If you would like to subscribe, it says follow by email. So you type in your email address, then hit submit, and you'll get an email to acknowledge that you want this to happen. If you don't get it, check your spam. Sometimes it goes into there. What this will allow you to do is instead of remembering to check the blog each Monday and Friday, it will send you an email with pretty much all the text and pictures. However, if there's any video, which is probably in one of these posts here, like this video here, the videos won't play. You'd actually have to go to the blog website to check out any videos that we might make. Also on here, as the year gets going, there'll be a class schedule. It's going to be a little wonky the first month just with the 1-4 and then just introduction stuff. But by October, there should be some resemblance of a set classroom schedule. My contact, some classroom information. Again, take this with a grain of salt because some of it has to do when we're in person. The volunteer schedule won't be happening probably this year just because I don't think we're allowing anybody outside of the staff to be in the building. So that may change, but that won't be relevant for this year. And then there's some helpful links if you're ever looking for some extra things to do. So if you want to subscribe, and I highly recommend that you do, just go to this spot, enter your email, hit submit, and then follow the directions from there. If you have any questions, please let me know. Have a great day.